characters that has drawn a lot of curiosity in Kalki 2898 AD is this Buji. Buji, who is actually a car that was made specially by the filmmakers for the sake of this film, and this is a vehicle that in fact plays the sidekick to the rebel star Prabhas, and this is the very seat in which he sits, and all the action sequences actually follow. This Buji is not just a car because it's something that was specially made with a partnership of Mahindra Motors. Anand Mahindra has in fact tweeted about it, and also JM Automotives from Coimbatore. And what we understand is that many engineers in fact came together to be able to visualize this car that's about 6 meters long, 3 meters wide, and about 2 meters high. And this, which he is trying to show us, is actually the robo which talks on behalf. So this is a robo, very futuristic vehicle, something that's actually dystopian in nature, and it plays not just a sidekick but in a sense, should I say, almost like a romantic interest of Prabhas, who otherwise does not have any other romantic interest, but all the humor that follows comes with Buji as well. And yes, this has been given, the character has a voice, the vehicle talks to the character, to Prabhas, and that voice has in fact been given by Kirti Suresh. So when you're looking at the future, you're talking about an era in which there are robos, car that is a robo as well, and that is able to converse with the hero and in fact tell us a lot about the character of the hero and takes the story forward in many ways. It is part of several action sequences in the film itself, and this is something that Nag Ashwin thought of as not just something that he wanted to do as a computer graphic, but he wanted to build it himself, and that's the reason 7 crore rupees was invested just in this. So this is the steering wheel, and it's supposed to not just be a vehicle that'll take you at high speed, it's able to fly as well, and it does all those multiple things which we perhaps only can imagine in a future that is to come. And because it belongs to rebel star Prabhas, he actually ensures that all this kind of a scrap is turned into a mean machine, something that is loyal to the hero and is always by his side and works in his interest as well, even as Kirti Suresh, who plays the voice of Buji, is teasing him all the way. In Hyderabad, in the same vehicle that Prabhas used in the movie, Bhairava is his character's name, and on the Buji itself, Uma Sudhir signing off with camera person Nagraju for NDTV.